naturalized players ang pwede maglaro. May plano pa tayo about that?
Yes, no. It's being discussed already in the ASEAN region, no, why we shouldn't adopt the FIBA rules. Kasi di ba kung meron tayong SEA Games na ganyan na we allow an infinite number of naturalized players, ang nangyayari sa team sa SEA Games, pagdating naman sa FIBA competitions na isa lang, tayo naman yung nalulugi. No? So it's really something that the region should think about. And in fact, si SBP is pushing for that we align with FIBA.
Okay, some more questions?
Good morning, Gab Pera, Sports Corner PH. Although napagitata yung sa naturalization kay Benny, what's the latest? Sorry, hindi ko naka-intay kasi galing ako sa interview. Ano ang latest kay Benny Boatwright? Parang nagpalata yung Senado at yung Kamara ng kilalang House bills at mukhang in progress naman, ma'am.
Yes, in progress na, no. Both the House and the Senate has already filed a bill, and that will prompt now the Committee on Justice and Human Rights to call for hearings, no. Yesterday, nagkaroon na ng consultative meeting sa Senado. We brought Benny Boatwright there, and in fact, nagpunta pa siya sa session hall, no, where he was presented to the rest of the senators. So, maganda naman yung trajectory ng kanyang naturalization.
So, ang nakikita ninyo, bago mag-adjourn yung Congress, papasain tulo itong naturalization ni Benny Boatwright para at least meron na tayo pang-apat na naturalized player yung Gilas.
Hindi naman siguro before this adjournment, no? Kasi I believe in 3 weeks mag-adjourn na ulit ang Senate and Congress. So, malamang sa pagbalik na nila in July yan.
Okay, gusto ko pag-usapan na yon yung women's basketball kasi napaka-popular at dumarami na ang fans ng women's basketball sa ngayon. Recently, nagkaroon kayo ng summit ang SBP with regards sa women's basketball at isa sa mga nasuggest na mga plano magtayo ng Women's Basketball League na pro, yung parang sa PBA na 5-on-5. So, ano ba yung sabihin natin mga points dito sa naganap na summit with the stakeholders ng women's basketball, ma'am?
Yeah, that's correct, no? We had a summit in Marco Polo and it was very successful. Marami pong mga stakeholders ng women's basketball yung dumayo doon and nagkaroon ng discussions na very engaging, no? Pinag-usapan yan yung pagkakaroon ng elite basketball league na professional, no, or whether professional or amateur pero commercial, no, targeting athletes who have already used up their years of eligibility in the college ranks, no. So, kumbaga saan sila maglalaro pagkatapos ng college. And pinag-usapan yung mga dating naging liga and bakit hindi siya naging successful, so we can learn from it para pag nagkaroon ulit ngayon, mas magiging sustainable na yung liga na yun. So that's where we are at this point.
And isa pa, of course, yung coaches natin nag-a-advance na ng kanilang skills, yung kanilang mga natutunan. Like for example, si Coach Jongo Chico nag-attend pa ng seminar with regards sa coaches education. Itutuloy pa ba ng SBP yung mga proyekto na ito to strengthen nga yung pag-mold ng ating mga coaches sa mga bagong skills and of course yung mga rules sa basketball sa ngayon?
Yes, that's correct, no? Kami sa SBP, we look at how we can have the whole ecosystem ng basketball in the country. So it's not just the development of the players or our national teams, pero syempre yung development din ng coaches natin. Pinag-usapan din kanina yung grassroots level natin. We also need to push there. And huwag natin kakalimutan, isa sa pinaka-importante, yung ating mga referees, di ba? Game officials, table officials, and statisticians. So we are also launching programs for them this year.
Lastly, of course, SBP, hindi lang sa Metro Manila nakasentro, dahil of course, Metro Manila, meka ng Philippine basketball, but of course, yung ating mga nasa probinsya, nandun ang mga grassroots development programs, iba't ibang mga collegiate leagues like of course sa SAPI, Bukal, BBAL ng Baguio at iba pa. Are you working on strengthening yung ties between yung mga provincial stakeholders in regards na sa grassroots development and to find those na pwede makapasok na sa Gilas Pilipinas someday, yung mga nasa probinsya? Maraming salamat po.
Yes, thank you for that question. No? We actually have 16 regional directors around the country and we work with them closely. They run the grassroots programs in their different areas and roll out the other SBP programs as well. So recently, yung women's natin, actually nakaikot na, no? Nagko-conduct sila ng tryouts para sa under 18 natin. Nagpunta silang CDO, nagpunta sila ng Cebu, nagpunta silang Davao, and marami tayong nakikitang players doon. Kaya pwede talaga yung mga taga-probinsya natin ay makuha din sa Gilas.
Okay. Ma'am, one more on the naturalization end. Are there other naturalization prospects that we are looking at aside from boat right?
Yes, in the women's side, we have actually identified somebody that will go through the same process as Benny Boatwright. Her name is Favor Ono. She has actually been
UP.
playing here in the country for UP. She's an academic scholar in UP. So, she's a very good candidate kasi alam natin yung character niya, hindi lang sa basketball court pero mabuti rin outside of the court. And we're really looking forward to having her in the Gilas team once her naturalization pushes through.
6'4"?
Yes, one more. So ibang topic kasi parang there's a news last week yata na the PBA is begging off from the BCL Asia. So meron bang plano ang SPP kung sino ipapadala sa BCL Asia instead of a PBA? Kasi the MPBL is also in their mid-season na by that time.
Okay, so for the Basketball Champions League, that is a direct relationship between FIBA and PBA. Okay, so the federation only gives its blessing, and as far as I'm concerned, there is no other league being tapped for that. The PBA is committed to joining the BCL except for this year, which was part already of their agreement with FIBA because they weren't able to put it in their calendar for this year. Pero in the succeeding years, you should see the PBA, engaging with the BCL.
So no huge team muna this year.
As far as I'm concerned, wala po.
Good morning, ma'am. Ako po ulit. Ma'am,